everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you my no makeup routine. Gosh, that is so hard to say. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. Before we get started though, some of these products may have been sent as PR. If you want to know which ones they are, then please check out the description where I will also be leaving links to everything I used today. Some of the links may be affiliate links, but they just help support my channel if you choose to purchase through them. So thank you so much. For brows I'm using Morphe Hazelnut Brow Cream, and I'm literally just going underneath the brow and just drawing a line. So once we've drawn the underneath, we're going to just fill in the tail. I'm just literally doing this so lightly. And then I'm taking the spoolie and I'm just brushing all that colour up and through the brow. I'm now taking the Got To Be Glued and I'm running this through my brows using the spoolie like this rather than like this. I just feel like this helps because my brows like to go a bit funny when I do that. This just helps really control the placement. So I've just remembered that I forgot to moisturise. I'm used to doing it all in the bathroom and then coming through and do my makeup. So I'm just going in with the Mercier The Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer, and I'm applying this all over. Now I'm going in with Avon SPF 30, and this is mattifying sun cream, and I'm just going to apply this all over. Bit gutted that I forgot to put this on before I do my brows, but what can you do, eh? I just actually realised that my nails like kind of match my top. How cute. So now I'm taking Sleek Life Proof Concealer, and this is in shade 03. I'm just literally carving out the brows. I'm just taking a really big brush and I'm just going to blend that all out. I don't want it too harsh because we're going for a more natural look today. I'm going with the same concealer under the eyes, and I'm just applying a little bit directly underneath, and then I'm just going to be applying a bit up here. Taking a damp sponge, I'm just blending this all out. I absolutely love this sponge because of how small it is. Makes it super easy to get in under the eye. If you're like me and you get super dark here, then take your concealer up and join it up to the brow where we've just blended out the concealer earlier. So I'm going in now with a little bit of bronzer, and I'm just sweeping this over my forehead, sweeping underneath my cheekbones. I'm also just pinching the brush together and I'm just sweeping down either side of my nose. I'm just going to go underneath it. So now taking the same brush, I'm just going in with this shade of blush which is called ColourPop, and it's the London Copyright Blush Palette Volume 1. So I'm just going slightly higher than normal. So now I'm using the Mercier Indiscretion Illuminator. This is beautiful, but it's not too... You know, like some highlighters, they're so powerful and overwhelming that like you're blinding. This is a lot more natural looking than that, which is perfect for these more fresh face kind of looks. So I'm just highlighting my cheekbones, and I'm also going to go above my brows a little bit. So I'm bringing it up and then just a little bit here. Can you see that it's like, it's more natural looking, it's not super intense. I'm just taking a smaller brush now and I'm just going underneath the brow just to make them brow bones pop. Now I'm going in with the Maybelline foundation, and this is Superstay 24 Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm applying a little bit to this small sponge that we used earlier. And what I'm going to do now is just go over any blemishes. So as you can see here, I've just got this little kind of like a circle of blemishes that have been like coming and appearing for the past few weeks. So I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation and dab it on over. Just blends out so nicely using a tiny bit. This, I would say, is like light to medium coverage depending on how much you use. So it's perfect, and because it's not a concealer, it's not too light for the skin tone either. I'm applying mascara, and I'm not going too heavy. I don't want the lashes to look really clumpy or anything like that. So I'm also only applying mascara to the top lashes. I feel like this really helps to keep your eyes looking nice and bright. Once we're happy with the mascara, what we're going to do is take a white pencil, sometimes a little bit pinky toned, just anything that's nice and light. You could even maybe use a creamy shade. So this is the Morphe coconut pencil. What I'm going to do is apply it to the waterline, but I'm not going in heavy. I don't want like these two bright white lines underneath my eyes. I'm just literally brightening up that area. So what I'm going to do is really gently just go over it literally once. I'm taking the ColourPop lippie pencil, and this is in the shade Cool BFF, and I'm literally just applying this to the upper lip now. So this is very, very similar to my lip colour, so just lining. And then what I do is I take my finger and I just pull it down, trying to blend it in, just to soften it a little bit. Then I'm taking my ColourPop Just a Tint, and this is in the shade Feel Good. I absolutely love this, super, super pretty. So I'm just literally dabbing this on. It's a very natural looking tint, however it's a bit more reddy, so I don't like to just whack it all on. I like to just dab it on so it's not too intense. I absolutely love this because it's so moisturising. It just feels more like a lip balm than anything else. It's amazing, honestly. So now we're finished, I'm going to be taking this 4th Ray Fresh AF Energizing Mist. I absolutely love, love, love the smell of this. It smells amazing. So I'm literally just going to spritz this all over. It just smells so fresh, it's so good. If you have this spray, you will know what I'm talking about. So last night I washed my hair and I finished it off with a MAC Hill Mermaid Waver. So what I'm going to do is literally just run some oil through the ends now. Just taking the Wella Oil Reflections oil and I'm just dragging this through my hair. So this is the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I just wanted to show you my no makeup routine. That's such like a mouthful. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you all again next week. Have a lovely day.